See if we can go a little deeper. By that I mean, the legs and the arms are primary organs of action. Even when you stop doing action, a little sensitivity remains in the arms and the legs, as though you are still doing. From the arms and the legs, completely lose the sense of doing. Happy just being, not doing. I compare it to the sense of being at home, effortlessly, very comfortably being at home. Generally, the sense of doing is related to the sense of becoming. Let go of all wanting to be becoming. Be as you are, that's fine. Nothing to become. Free from becoming, free from doing. So slowly there is a sense of I am, I am, I am, I am, I am. And then I drops away, there's just amness. Beingness without becoming.